Mark, do you want more? Here you go. More. Yeah. Mark, will you show me drink? Yay! Here's some drink. But you didn't really want it, huh? Do you want to wave? Mark, hi. Hi. You want to say hi to Elizabeth? Hi, Elizabeth. What's she doing with her tongue? Say hi. What is she doing? Mark, let's say hi. Hi, Elizabeth. What is she doing? She thinks that's cool. Woo! Mark, do you want more? Hey, Mark. Do you want more? More. Good job. You want to show drink again? Yay! Do you want some drink? Not really? Do you want to try to do hi? Hi, Elizabeth. Hi. Hi, Elizabeth. You're having too much fun, huh? She thinks that's really cool. I don't, Mark. Do you want more? Sweetie? Do you want more? Good job. Good job. Let's try waving. Hi, Elizabeth. Hi, sweetie. Here. Say hi. Yay! Good job. Good job, Mark. Gentle. Gentle. Yeah, you're very sweet. Hi, Elizabeth. Hi. What does she think of you? Does she love you? Hi, Elizabeth. Mark. Mark. Okay. Mark. No climbing in there, okay?